I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Binance in trouble. Coinbase previously got a Wells notice. We're going to talk about the ramifications of these news ideas on the price of Bitcoin, and we have seen a pullback just a few hours ago. So Bitcoin 1 hour chart. Make sure to watch the video all the way to the end. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bring these daily updates almost daily. Listen, we had this rising channel. Bitcoin broke out of this. Now, it's come down and tested it as support a few times. This is critical trend line support. You do not want to see the price action break back down in here. Okay. Now, if it does, there's a ton of buyers right now. They're buying Bitcoin on Bitcoin pullbacks. There's a ton of buyers buying it up. But we're going to talk about how important and strong this overhead resistance really is on the weekly chart in just a second. Bitcoin 4 hours. So again, you see previously the price action came down here to the exact level and bounced higher, right? And so you got to move all the way back up to the top of the range. Something similar here. So again, very key that Bitcoin holds this support level. But again, we said that the textbook buying opportunity comes down here at 25,200. Everybody's just sitting there waiting to buy Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin daily chart. Previously, we said elite traders are going to front run retail and buy right here. And Bitcoin price action has hit this level twice and has been bought up. We talked about how this trend line right here needs to hold in order for Bitcoin to make a direct move higher. So if you do not break this trend line, again, you can see more upside for Bitcoin based on this idea. However, you come down here, textbook retest. If Bitcoin works in a range here, you could set up for a nice altcoin season over the next few months. Depends on what Bitcoin is doing, right? Weekly chart. Okay, so this is new. We haven't talked about these scenarios recently. So the double top from the bull market, right? Bull market rally, and then another higher high got put in. But overall, this is a big double top. Now, this breakdown confirmation level happened here. This confirmed the double top, right? I mean, you could make a case it was a little bit higher, but the point is there's all these wicks coming down here, multiple occasions where this has been the floor. Now it's the ceiling. It's the ceiling. This is very strong resistance overhead, right? It's the ceiling, used to be the floor. Bitcoin put in a very strong weekly candle above the 200 yellow simple moving average. Now, it would be healthy to see a pullback to the 200, and if it holds and you get another move higher, idea is it might take a couple attempts to break this level because it's strong. Okay, I can show you situations where previous bull markets or bull markets rallies. I don't think this is like the huge mega bull market. I think that comes after the halving. Typically on these 4-year cycles, that's the way it works. But it's bullish upside, and we'll take it for what it's worth. You just don't want this to be a bearish retest, which gives confirmation of this double top. You don't want this to be a bearish retest and then lose some of these levels, because that's the worst case scenario for Bitcoin, and then lower prices are in store. So the 200 must hold. Buyers got to jump in. 25,200, 26,000. Buyers have to hold this level and then continue to push and put pressure on this strong resistance, which used to be the floor. Okay, so the bulls have to hold this 200 simple moving average, which is called the bottom, here in 2020 and here in 2019. This is the bull market indicator. You got to hold this level. Otherwise, this is a bull trap, right? Worst case scenario. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person 5x'd his money, started with $3,000, cashed out a little. He's up to $16,000. Dude, I've got a beginners group that you can ask questions. We'll help you out. This guy, much love to Joe, who works in beginners. He's answering questions around the clock, and then other people jump in when he's not available. I'm just saying, we're doing things that nobody else is doing. If you're not successful and you're not making a ton of money in this market, this is a short trade. Most people have no clue how to short. I can help you. Learn how to trade the market both ways. This person had about 75 trades and had a huge win rate of 72%. He won 72% of his trades. He made 306% on about 75 trades. Okay, that's a lot of trades. This is over 90 days, so it's not even one trade a day. I don't want you to be day traders, but this person, that's a strategy, and he tripled his money. Fine. We taught him how to trade. This person on Kucoin made more than $5,000 within 3 days. These gem picks, when they bang, it's easiest money you can make in crypto. This person, Bitcoin, $2,500, made it in 5 days, trading both directions. You've got to learn how to trade both directions. I can teach you. I've got courses that are included, video series, constant updates, weekly screen shares. We do 2 weekly screen shares a week. Everything is covered to make sure you're successful in this. I've got thousands of people in the trading group for a reason. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We nail all the bangers. We got the best setups, the best team. Telling you, it's the easiest money you can make in crypto, but you got to get started. Take a chance. The biggest opportunity right now is right in front of you. Period. Learn to trade crypto. Binance in trouble by the CFTC over alleged regulatory violations. So supposedly they had 300 house accounts and they were letting people use the house accounts and they're in trouble over it. So the CFTC is going after Binance, the largest exchange there is. Not amazing. The G7 nations are going to work on stricter global crypto regulations. It's coming down. Stricter regulations, and that's fine. Give us some rules to work with and to follow, right? That's fine. We need this. You want big money to come into this market, we need a rule set, right? Now, I went back and I back tested some of these ideas, so Binance is in trouble. When the SEC goes after these coins, for example, EOS, they went after, and this is the SEC, when they went after EOS just paid a fine, 24 million, and they settled their charges. Poof, it's gone. And so I looked up what happens when the CFTC goes after, these were banks. They went after 11 banks for using text, WhatsApp, and other unapproved methods to conduct business. 11 banks got sued here. Bank of America paid a $100 million fine. Barclays, Cantor, all these banks got in trouble by the CFTC, similar to the SEC. Money fixes money problems in these situations. Binance, best case scenario, throw some money at this situation, said, hey, we're not going to do it again. They fix it, and that's that. Now, I found here some other CFTC situations. The FTX situation has not been settled, but here's another $250,000 penalty against a company. It's a civil monetary penalty, and again, it's monetary penalty, right? The money fixes these issues most of the time. So Binance needs to just come out here and say, hey, whoops, we did it. Sorry, here's some money. Ethereum. Now, Ethereum needs to hold this level to avoid move to the downside, right? So you want to see the Ethereum bulls. You got a falling wedge that hasn't hit oversold levels right now, but you need this for this bull flag idea to work out. You need this to hold this level. Otherwise, you're shorting Ethereum. Shorting Ethereum, you could see a move down here to $1,475 out of Ethereum. So again, if Bitcoin rolls over, you're looking to short ETH. Bitcoin dominance. This is the altcoin season indicator. I mean, you got this huge pattern where the price action is continued in this pattern. And when it's pumping, this is Bitcoin season. Okay, well, we haven't broken out yet. The altcoins need this to, like, if Bitcoin just goes sideways for a boring amount of time, then you can get a nice little altcoin run. However, if Bitcoin has another move higher and stronger moves and Bitcoin steals the show, this thing breaks out to the upside, all eyes are on Bitcoin, right? So this gives us direction for when to trade altcoins and when to trade, focus on Bitcoin. It's been Bitcoin season. Now, listen, if you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.